Me did Isaac Jumpo, but me family the great sample and bring one man come on here too much G8. Too much G8, more too much. Namen so me I'm more fire.
Mema obibia akwa basronkon edeba too much G8 anything so munyaba mosu for my sikana me de and someone circulate to my mo baba so mo na eti for na same thing they say ya popular actress Nana Mama Branch say one de Ghana hawa jidin or ye hate pa high sense ube Nana Mama Branch couple of a year brand bi a wada so ntini say one de ni din de etene wo bi ase afane ni na etiefo na issue ba ko ase pushi Nana Mama ni din a trendy woman mu egusu trendy kra UTV show base what ya wo invite couple of celebrities na enkabo program no na saying tem papa say we program bulldog 77 na no yi ne ka wo kra ne kwa dia ma no I hate them more amana trendy them more say what bulldog din na what bulldog arrester no what Nana Mama Brown show base and also what in the account. Now I know how much say ye near be started granting interviews be na interview back or granting Angel FM no or the same be etuja. Na in seven ye question ebusa na nuji and na what the etuja na question was say and we be a chemono na nama kisi neba magazine na no na nama the tuja say one no ohun problem bia ewo sa ensem ankofo nya problem wo ho no na onu wo hu sa news no waten so pepepepe na wo susu say da moment no the way I act here I will kissing ne ba magazine no ohun ni say natural as a mother no who was special feelings bi ma oba no who atenka sonko bia wo pe na wunya sa atenka no die na nim say as a mother wo bo ba wutimi bo no because wo tia no nanso wo bi compare nimpo wo beja la essence na enye wo na wo bo no ni say nipa no onfa abada bi mbo wo ba no ana won fa ntiase ana hunu mu bi mbo wo ba nti onu de wo ni say sa kissing ne ba no out of natural feelings into who ni say boni bi enim na wona wo de one fan or personal no more fan say offensive no e bia no mo culture na permit sa no de ohun ni say or how be any man na say wanya no bibi stronko bia na say twaka bia enim na tie for ogusu kire ni nsemu kire ya akokan say me bia etwam mpo no ne ba mazon no ye baby na ne baby mremu no wo pupu ya just say urine be split ye na that moment na say ne culture na say kire ne say wo no urine no na wonu wanu ne mpo say ne ba magazine urine no wonu mo ye say e saving ne ba ne nko ade a woni mu say beboa ne ba no out of love no wo ye ne no na Ghana fo bi ntiase a womo de womo bobo mu se si den na wutumi kisi wo ba se ne a wo yi ne ho ano na wutumi nso enum baby magazine urine de wodon ko ano no de enche se wodon ko na wo ma wo banti a wutumi ekoda extreme na da mal no na etie for mama yen show yen kano kre ba se wo ba bi eni wa wonye bibia emma ne ba abata ni bi krampo to me kisi wo mo ba no obi wo mo when dra eti atono wo mo de wo ma no etwe eto chine esa so mo say wo mo ba no wo mo use anki na so mo use any other form ebe pra no na che say na ma expression wo dia to ja ne kwan so ano no oba time bia watenka foforo ye nyina se we oba na se na emra wo moye no hu se in kolakra hu sheda mfam bo fransa na nsu nyame ye wadom na wo be wo pe hu in kola hu mo extraordinary wo nya atenka foforo bi e de ma wo wo ka wo ho e de call embofra no ho that means natural feelings ampa enti sa kissing ne ba no problem obi anhye da eni wo sase na epimu hu no na afen so se wonom ne ba Johnson no eno so wo bekomu a problem obi anhye da eni wo sa esan se mbofra ne de bia tesuo ne wo nyoma bisa ne de ya no bi de bia especially in Bema no above a baby a wo ye Bema wo fa no na je se wo se no ta ene we nu mo ne ohwe mu nyina bi be hihye enti ni na ne nyoma bi wo ye natural yensusu enka mo asem yensusu behave it senia entumi si ba entumi si nyoma bi wo ye natural yen nipa da se ne my life I too complicated. They are my essence say, I dear be a natural, I say, Uncle, you money normal. A see penny, you only said every see because your pretense in the door soon. Say, yeah, pretend say your way, yeah, they say, no. Am I to me live a year? A natural life and our original life, I see a living all the time. They are complicated. I bravo. To the moon is say. Uba bisa ma drink chile dia ya se ni nsem a na na ma de tu dwa no ne kwan so ano na nsem gbe ya me di be tu dwa yi video e ka ho a ye ko hwe emfa embra
feet. But the subject that was being discussed, that is the bone of contention. Now for say what coffee will buy no. Me how?
There said our church has him no. Man, I too detailed. Man said, yeah, I have to think about something to say.
Now, what you say?
When him say, me who in time crowd. A chain, I mean, will be kind of me news banks, and yeah, magazine birthday and first birthday, and that's in it. But me, that time, I'm sure you know. Me who said they missing kind of. I said it on my show, United Showbiz. Say, as a mother, no, I don't see anything wrong with what I did because I did it from what I
natural
and what did I say? Our cake, nimu, and you know our baby age now, or best run, or the best time, yeah. Papa and me cry so my so near my baby. I didn't want to. I came naturally. Me name they met me, but when I saw it, we almost almost tears. Your mom no different from and I mean I don't know what to say, but I did it out of love. It
was out of love for Baby Magazine.
No, hey, coffee. So me no. I do that. I make I say me no cry no Canada. Once I say Obajun so go the when the obewu. Me donya me nom na quick. Say no sir. Baby, and I mean you know who say we sana opupu na splash say. Inti me nom no quick. Me nyu ho cry say me better sent na answer na bibi put me off.
No. On the magazine.
Oh, it was just a poop but kakra na splash. On say me cry me say wow when my sister say hey, yes one more. You know. And I know it happened.
Etiefo we de ono papa nsemu se nyam di kan chechire mu no na ni ne mu no se si a wadwenkyere ho ne hia pa wo ho modern ne je wadwenkyere eto ase o fama me afa subscribe to too much na di dwumede bia to ma mo mo a na wetumi a kire wa na like and share e promote channel we Mexican and digital we e be so mo e be sa ehia na